Hello friends, today we are going to see the next part of the electrical systems, unit number 5, solenoid drives. Already we have seen the battery charging system, their principal working of lead acid batteries. Last videos we have seen magnetocoil and the battery ignition system and different types of ignition system related with the magnetocoil. Myself, Mr. S.P. Udgave, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering, EDRA. In this video, we are going to see the student should be able to identify the main function of the solenoid, different drives. Also, they can identify the application of the solenoid, the description related and the application of the solenoid with the operating walls. Also, the symbols of the solenoid with the standard symbols and the control circuit showing the energizing of a solenoid through a closing of relay contact using control relay, that is also called as capital CR, two push button switches and a solenoid. What is a solenoid? Solenoid is a electromechanical device that is used to electrical energy and magnetically causes the mechanical movement called as solenoid. How solenoid works? You apply the current, the magnetic field builds, and the stop and plunger becomes the attracting magnets. The magnetic force that is drives the plunger to the stop, and that is works. Basic types of the solenoids, there are basically six types: push type, pull type, clapper type, rotary type, open type, closed type. Solenoid function: single solenoid spring, return wall, the operating start push button, switch close the circuit to the coil of the relay, that is a ICR. The coil is now energized. The relay contact, that is a coil relay, recognized. The relay contact the CR1, then closes the interlocking, that is a around position, the start push button switch, and the contact the relay closes, CR2 closes, and the energizing the solid, that is a solenoid symbol that is shown in this figure A, and the circuit can be de-energized by the operating the reverse push button switch. Single solenoid spring return wall, the time delay relay is added, the operating the start push button switch closes the circuit to the coil of relay CR1, and the coil is now energized. The contact CR1 closes, that is the interblocking around the start push button switch, with the contact CR2 closes and energizing the solenoid, that is A, last figure that is shown with symbol solenoid wall A, and the contact relay, that is a CR3 closes and energizing the coil of the timing relay TR. After a time delay as a set on the timing relay, the timing constant contact closes the energizing solenoid 1B, and the circuit can be de-energized by the operating reverse push button switch. So this is the example of the working of the solenoid valve A and solenoid valve 1B. Application of the solenoids are used to control the fluid flow in hydraulic and pneumatic system, also applied in many electrical activated devices such as valves, locks, punches, and the marking machines. Typical solenoid application in linear application, wall actuators, latching switches, or the pushing and pulling object, sorting, and shutters. Characteristics, that is a size as a force, limited stroke length. Application, a common rotary solenoid, the circuit breakers, IC insertion machines, defibrillators, textile machinery, automatic tellers, film processors, machine tools, pinch rollers, brakes, ticket machines, and copiers. Typical solenoid applications are in rotary solenoids, sorting machines, that is a shutter actuators. Most widely in textile machineries, they can use these types, and the strokes from the 5 to 90 degree. As the stroke increases, the starting torque will be decreases. These are the application, that's vending machines, brakes, copiers, door locks, pumps, interproposers, coin changers, film processors, disk drive locks, and electronic typewriters. This is a symbolic representation of the solenoid. The solenoids converts the electrical energy to the mechanical work, and different types of solenoids for different types of application can use. Thank you. Stay connected for the next videos.